Hello, I'm Jennifer Carr from Louis Carr Real Estate. Welcome today to 58 Darcy Road, Castle Hill. Here's your chance to be a part of one of Sydney's hottest trending suburbs. This location combines the convenience of bus-at-door services, a family-friendly neighbourhood and easy access to Castle Hill Shopping Precinct and of course the new Castle Hill train station. Single level in design, this home offers a relaxed, easy care lifestyle. Perfect for busy family day-to-day life and entertaining. It's the combination of vaulted ceilings, neutral tones and an abundance of natural light that really make this home a unique offering for this area. Highly sought after single level 4-bedroom and study homes like this one are very much in demand. Come along to the open home and see it for yourself.